Papaya nutrition facts, health benefits of papaya. Papayas are a fleshy, soft fruit that may be utilized in a number of dishes. Reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, as well as helping digestion, increasing blood glucose management in diabetics, decreasing blood pressure, and enhancing wound healing are all health advantages of papayas. The papaya, which was formerly considered an unusual and rare fruit, is now available throughout the year. Papayas, often known as pawpaws or pawpaws, thrive in tropical areas. They're a popular fruit because of their sweet taste, brilliant color, and wide range of health advantages. Papaya's nutrients provide a variety of health advantages. They aid in the prevention of a variety of illnesses. 1. Age-related macular degeneration. Papaya contains zeaxanthin, an antioxidant that blocks off damaging blue light rays. It is known to be beneficial to eye health and may help prevent macular degeneration. 2. Asthma prevention. People who consume a lot of particular nutrients have a decreased chance of having asthma. Beta-carotene, found in foods such as papaya, apricots, broccoli, cantaloupe, pumpkin, and carrots, is one of these nutrients. 3. Cancer. Consuming the antioxidant beta-carotene present in papayas may lower the risk of cancer. According to a research, diets high in beta-carotene may protect against prostate cancer in younger men. 4. Bone health. Low vitamin K consumption has been linked to an increased risk of bone fracture. Adequate vitamin K consumption is essential for overall health because it enhances calcium absorption and may minimize urine excretion of calcium, resulting in more calcium in the body to repair and rebuild bones. 5. Diabetes. Persons with type 1 diabetes who consume high-fiber diets had reduced blood glucose levels, while people with type 2 diabetes may have improved blood sugar, cholesterol, and insulin levels, according to research. A small papaya has around 3 grams of fiber, which is comparable to only 17 grams of carbs. 6. Digestion. Papayas contain the enzyme papain, which assists digestion. Papaya is also abundant in fiber and water, both of which aid in constipation prevention and promote regularity and a healthy digestive tract. 7. Heart disease. Papaya's high fiber, potassium, and vitamin levels all aid to prevent heart disease. The most essential dietary modification a person can do to lower their risk of cardiovascular disease is to increase potassium consumption while decreasing salt intake. 8. Inflammation. Choline, a chemical present in papayas, is an important and versatile nutrient that supports our systems in sleep, muscular movement, learning, and memory. Choline also aids in the transmission of nerve impulses, fat absorption, and lowers chronic inflammation by maintaining the integrity of cellular membranes. 9. Skin and healing. Mashed papaya appears to help promote wound healing and prevent infection in burnt areas when applied topically. The proteolytic enzymes chemopapane and papain found in papaya are responsible for the fruit's positive properties. Decubitus ulcers, bed sores, have also been treated using ointments containing the papain enzyme. 10. Hair health. Papaya is also good for hair because it includes vitamin A, which is necessary for the creation of sebum, which keeps hair nourished. Vitamin A is required for the development of all human tissues, including skin and hair. Adequate vitamin C consumption, which papaya offer, is required for the formation and maintenance of collagen, which provides structure to the skin. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.